One of the most common, most hottest topic today is will CAT happen or not happen, get postponed or not postponed. So I'll answer that question first. Let's look at the NEET ka thing. NTA have launched the detailed safety plan for NEET and JEE exam, which is going to happen in next 2 weeks. So if those two exams are happening, then of course CAT will happen on time. How it happen, the CAT will happen will all depend upon how NEET and JEE will be conducted. Yeah, so NTA have launched this safety plan, detailed safety plan. Let's check out the ABP news for that, what plan is there, and then we'll see how CAT authorities can do the same thing. So point number 1, safety of the candidate will be taken care of and the social distancing will be followed everywhere. So obviously the line will not be, people will not be standing one to one, there will be a gap between the line. So the seating arrangement will be far away. Obviously that can be easily done. Point number 1. Point number 2, admit card has all the information related to the exam. A link of the admit card will be given. Do not panic on the day, no problem. So admit card will give you all the details which are there. Staff at the center will be trained well regarding the proper arrangement with extra gloves, sanitizer, mask and everything, spray bottles. Yeah, simple funda is, if you can go to a bank, yeah, to get your work done, why can't you go to the exam also? This is their point. There will be a videography for exam center and the students. Thumbprint will not be taken. So no thumbprint will be taken. So no physical contact kind of thing basically between you and the examination hall and the center. Point number 5, 50% of the invigilator will stay inside the hall and 50% will be outside to see the arrangement until the last person enter the center. And the day will begin with the sanitization center and placing all the material everywhere. Yeah, so with precaution they are doing that. Simple. The process, the safety measure which are there are in place. So if these two exams are happening, CET of CAT exams, CET exam, all the exam will happen on time without any delay. Now if there is a mishap on this exam, so next 2 weeks are very, very crucial for them and for us to watch as well how the exam goes. If the exam goes fine, then there is no problem. Then all the CET, CAT, all the exam will happen on time and the way normal exam are working. If something goes wrong here, yeah, then of course they have to see how the CAT will be done online, this and that. Boss, exam to hoga, tum jo marzi kar lo, exam to hoga hi hoga. More than you need the exam, they need students. Most of the coaching classes, most of the colleges are owned by all the politicians. Okay, and they will make sure that exam will happen online or at center. We don't know as of now, but beta hoga to pakka. Okay, yeah, my answer to the question is very simple. Yeah, why you are worried about that? Fine, your job is to prepare. Your CAT score, your quant score, verbal score, logic score is not going to be dependent upon your situation, right? Your preparation should not be worried. You have to prepare for maths anyway. You have to prepare for verbal anyway. So please focus on that. Please don't think about this. This is the fundamental issue which is happening this year. Last year, imagine that where NEET वालों का अभी केस चल रहा है, 2 हफ्ते बाद एग्जाम है. बच्चे को ये नहीं पता कि मैं साला पढ़ूँ कि ना पढ़ूँ, एग्जाम है कि नहीं है. सो एडवाइस इज़ वेरी सिंपल. तुम अपनी तैयारी करते जाओ, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. हम लोग सब साथ में ही हैं. ठीक है, आई विल कीप यू इन्फॉर्म्ड अबाउट ऑल दिस थिंग्स as and when thing happen. All right, all the best.